My name is Sonia Bizimana. I am the co-founder and the project coordinator of the ACMP. We are organizing the financial literacy event, which will be called the Money Talks Workshop. Because various economic indicators have highlighted that the financial gap among the Afro-Caribbean Black and from their counterpart, which is the white community, there is a big gap. And to counter that gap, the answer that the study that was done by the Global Financial Literacy Excellence Center suggested that financial literacy could be the answer to that, to closing those gaps. So during this event, we'll be talking about understanding the financial concepts, budgeting and saving, the credit system, debt, not only student loans, but also credit cards and line of credits. We'll also be discovering the financial independence number and so much more. The guest speakers this year are going to be Harpreet Gill, who is a certified independent financial advisor, and Jabez Arkathi, who is a branch manager with RBC. The event is open to all high school students, undergrad, and all community members, basically anyone who could benefit from it. This event will take place on Friday, November 20th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m.